Hi everyone, I'm Dustin Prevete, Senior Product Manager here at LATICRETE International, and I'm here today to walk you through the newest addition to our sound control and anti-fracture membrane lineup. Our new 170.5 sound and crack isolation mat is a high-performance acoustical underlayment system that reduces the transmission of impact noises through ceramic tiles, stone, and other hard surfacing materials. In addition to its sound dampening capability, the 170.5 sound and crack isolation mat also has the ability to eliminate transmission of substrate cracks up to an 1/8 inch from transferring from the substrate to the finished floor. Some of its other key features and benefits include a Delta IIC rating of 22, an IIC rating of 50, and an STC rating of 52. Based on these ratings, it is approved for commercial use per the International Building Code. In addition, independent third-party testing has come back with a moderate service rating. The 170.5 mat is comprised of 89% post-consumer recycled content and is GREENGUARD certified. In addition, it's equipped with antimicrobial technology for added peace of mind both during and after the installation process. From a warranty standpoint, this new mat is part of our 25-year system warranty. As for recommended uses, the 170.5 mat is designed and rated for interior applications only, over concrete, mortar beds, exterior glue plywood, cement backerboard, cement terrazzo, and cement, tile, and stone. It is available in a 120 square foot roll and is available now. So for more information, please reach out to your local sales rep or visit www.laticrete.com.